Hello guys, I greet you from Pretoria. Just a quick interesting one. Uh, as Christians or God-fearing people or God's children, we read the Bible where Jesus steps down from the cross or the grave, and he said, when they said, "Show me God," he says, "If you've seen me, you've seen God." Now he's in me and I'm in him, and I'm in you and you are in me. We are all one. I call you my children. All authority has been given to me. I now give it to you. We go to church and we worship Jesus. And he says, don't worship me. I'm your brother. The first three commandments of Christ, Jesus, when he gave us the true Christianity, is to love God as yourself, to love your neighbor as yourself, and holy your body as a pleasing sacrifice in front of God. That is Christianity. All the rest is fluff that humans spit on. Christianity is to love God, love your neighbor, and honor your body as a temple. We run a RBTI runs, stands for Reams Biological Theory of Ionization, where we test people. We've got the equation of a 120-year-old human, and we've got a 99% success in reversing disease. By finding what is the cause of disease, they remove the cause and the symptom disappear. People go to a pharmacy, speak to the guy there, the doctor or the pharmacist. Then you go to the hospital, speak to the doctor. If you can look at world statistics, what's the most people dying from? Mistakes that doctors make and pharmaceutical side effects. If you go to old age home, they're not old. They're suffering side effects of medication they've on. And 100 times God says, I'll give you the leaves of the trees as medicine and the fruit as meat. Why didn't we understand? We call the field doctor or the natural doctor Sangoma, and we call the witch at the pharmacy and hospital. God says you'll die of Pharmakeia, pharmacy, drugstore, the construction of man-made chemicals. You will die of these chemicals. We die of herbicide, pesticide, and insecticide. We die of the chemicals we wash our clothes in, the shampoo we put on our head, the fluoride in our toothpaste, and the list just go on and on and on. And we ask God why we're sick. Ask God how come we still live. Do contact us, RBTI Health and Wellness, Pretoria. We run our clinic looking at the spirit of disease, the psychology of disease, and the biology of disease. Contact me, Dr. Neetling from RBTI Health and Detox, Pretoria.